meer voor de Katie machen.
Oh,
Mama,
ja.
ich darf mehr für die Katie.
Mary, die Mama möchte das bitte machen, okay?
I want this bitte machen.
Mary, du darfst es bald machen, okay?
Look at this. It's
I
a
want
first.
this done.
Maddie, you want to help too later?
I want to do it now.
Well, Katie is just doing her first eating ever in her life. And we're filming this. So it's very exciting.
I
So
want this
exciting.
machen. Mama, Mama.
Okay, Mary, die Mama muss das bitte
I
machen.
want this
Okay.
Did you like that, Katie?
I don't know.
Wow, I think she did.
Okay, Mary, das ist zu
Ja.
viel.
She
Das
did.
ist zu viel, okay?
Have some more. Oh, wow. What do you think, Mad? Is your sister eating for the first time?
I think she's putting it out with her tongue a lot.
Oh, that's good. All right. Okay, I'm going to
Finger.
hang the phone up now.
Okay.
Okay. That was Katie eating for the very first time. December, what's the date today? The 29th?
Yeah.
29th, 2011.